Oh yes, that's my class. That's the only class I personally handle. That's called White Shirt Love. It's a dance fitness, very sensual. When I did that, I created that kasi para sa mga nanay. It's actually originally for moms, for mothers, when I created that. Na after kong mga anak kasi nag-emote-emote ako noon.
So, panlima mo ba si Nadine?
How do you define yes.
Nadine. Si Nadine Strick. She's very fast when getting choreography. In White Shirt Love, she is willing to really submit herself in the class because oftentimes my students meron pang inhibitions and it will take like about an hour bago pa sila mag-release. Pero with Nadine, she knows the objective of White Shirt Love. When she got there, she really submitted herself.
What's the objective again?
The objective is to bring out the confidence. It's a confident booster. So, kailangan ma-empower mo ang tao. The girls, they have to embrace their body, no matter what the size is, no matter how sexy or big you are.
Not only for mothers.
Now, because a lot of single women got attracted, and not only women, but the women at heart.
Minsan na pressure or na ibet pag yung mga girls halimbawa kailangan ng attention mo na
Meron, hindi yan mawawala.
So paano ba gano'n?
Ite-traffic mo lang talaga, like tamang oras sa kanila. May mga magbibigay ng ganitong oras na you have to be there, present ka sa kanila.
Paano yung duties mo bilang wife ka lang?
Ano lang talaga, time management.
Yeah.
Management lang.
Ilan na anak?
I have 3 kids, 16, 12, and 7.
Magagaling din magsayaw.
Magaling magsayaw yung, my first 2. Pero yung 7 years old, wala pa doon yung interest, di masyado.
May pila ba yung pagod? Siyempre, may yung pagod na parang iba. Hindi ba yung mga ganyan?
At some point, actually, when I was younger, may ganun. Pero masasawa ka lang, mapapagod ka lang pag hindi mo talaga gusto yung ginagawa mo. So you really have to find inspiration.
Yung dance ba parang used to hindi na mag-do sa mga
because we have to sa natutunan ko kasi, I was given a break to choreograph at 16. So, ibig sabihin, may nakita ng kalokohan sa akin, si Eric Adjadin. Meron siyang nakita. So, if I was given that chance to choreograph at 16, someone believed in me. So, I have to pass that to the next generation. I have to give opportunity and break to these aspiring dancers and choreographers. Hindi mo alam kung sino susulpot dyan eh. Kung sino yung talagang may sustenance sa trabahong ito at kung sino yung crazy ang idea, creative ideas.
So hindi ka takot na may susulpot na bagong magagaling na choreographer or in demand, wala kang gano'n?
No. In fact, gusto ko talagang madami pa.
You did have a choreographer?
Yes. In fact, now we have full of choreographers and chief force.
We heard